Hello guys, welcome again to a new chapter. We are here now on my family farm. Today I wanted to show you something beautiful because our family grew, now it's bigger. Two of our pigs had babies, so today I wanted to show you how it's our day, taking care of them and taking care of their mother, Cuba, and that's one of our mini pigs. So let's go. Excuse me. Thank you.
¿Me extrañaste, Buzz? ¿Eh?
Well, at first, I wanted to show you the father. The father of the baby pigs. It's this pig, that it's not a mini pig. Here you can see the difference between a pig of the industry and the mini pigs. Hansel, it's a pig of like 250 kilograms. And this is Coca. You can see the difference between a mini pig and a big pig. He just make love to Cuba and now we have babies. They have just 3 months of pregnancy. That was really fast, and we were worried about Cuba because we don't know how the babies are going to born. Like Hansel is really big and Cuba is really small, so we were worried, but everything was okay and the babies are beautiful. So let's go see them. Shh. Look at them, they are so beautiful. Well, she's Cuba and she had 8 babies. The first one, she born without vital signs. These are the rest of them. They are baby healthy pigs. They are so beautiful. And we are going to let the mommy out because we are going to clean the space. We're going to let her rest.
Sin morder, sin morder. Sin morder, puta madre.
They don't like if you grab them.
Ay, ay.
They really like use their noses. It's a muscle. I hope they born. I mean, they go out straight to my hands and they were so tiny. But they born with teeth. They born like this. They born just ready for the world. It's really important to keep the space clean. So now we are going to change the sawdust. We are going to remove all this and we are going to put some new and clean. This is really easy to remove. This helps to the floor stay dry because they do a lot of pee-pee. Excuse me. We are finished with the sawdust. Now we are going to change the blankets.
Arriba.
They are so lazy. Come on. Come on, come on. Please, excuse me. This is... Uy, sorry. This is better, right? Excuse me. Very clean. Just for you. Perfect. For keeping the babies warm, we use the heat lights and the stove we call estufa here. And these are lámparas de calor. And they stay warm in the winter. They are really fine here. One of the babies born smaller and weaker than the others, we had to take him to other place and feed him ourselves. The biggest brothers don't let him feed himself of their mama breast. So we are giving him cow milk from the neighbor. So let's check him. We named him Uito. This is our baby. He's so much tiny than his brothers, as you can see. He's so baby. Mwah. So now we're going to feed him. Whoa, easy. We feed him every 2 hours, the half of this baby bottle. He is growing great. I don't know if he's still alive if we don't take care of him, you know. I think we are going to keep him. Well guys, thank you for joining me in this special moment. See you in the next chapter and let's see how big the baby pigs gets. Goodbye.